ubesuan aye ready so obebo ena obi anso ni ball no bo se wo de ni gina ho a na se wa aye ready so obebo betime anya obi obeka se bi a ball yi mebo eso ni kwanyi wanka ho.
Okay.
Nti yendi ye ni top player ya fu se player bia yekura ni bia ye equally good.
Mo team
ye wo team sani afia se ohun no sisi kura di bia be ka ho agese
tu da so mo
owo ho nko be bia
monton
debi
mo nse dan piska
ye pisika ne mo ni ahwehwe ne yewie afia se ye wie wi ne ye fa ka ho wi a obi o pe bibia e betima ma ne bi
na am for business afi mo boy no double
oyu aso folk sani ha se ye pepe obi o ba park no so bia hu se ha spirit ni ekura.
Okay. Mami nko abanase na yenkodi nkomo wo. Mr. Akoto.
Yeah, boss.
Abanase teren.
Abanase boko de ne. Yegusu kitem de ne.
Na so far preparation ekwaden.
Oh, bibia gusu yakoso fe kama. Ye gina na nso.
Metuma register players ye wie.
Oh, yen registration de ye wie. Da wo yete say tournament de battle for de ba no. Na de chi na ye register yen players ye wie. Yen players no omunyina wo ho. Tona na yekoto bi abeka hu. Na teams we beto in place to be. Nti omodo omoko. Yakoto.
And say sika ba team nim.
Oh, sika ba team nim. Ye gina na nso sika ba team.
Na maje yi aka ho.
Ena ya sen ye ka kire ye ode man ya aka ho.
Why?
Ye ko boabu aye ho sa.
Na last year muna best player of the tournament no film team. Afi osan wo.
Ogusu wo ho. Best player of the tournament. Previous tournament aye boy no. Others wo.
Oh, okay.
That's also in good format. I say, see, I could near more yen as in the first or yen because Obasha, yen player no best player of the tournament. No, Obasha no yen central defender, but you do baby no yen keeper no. Echo trials so baby. Inti a more by them mumma if yen final match, I'm say, I can't too much as on na Udina Mucher Mayen or a goalkeeper beer. No bo second division, no bo score FC. Na niam bintina atwa san kakra bet. Ogusu gina na nso.
Okay. Na okay, me ko se mra sana me bizao. Sa sem no. Ma me ko amanfo fo na. Eja last year you ha was afide ebeje. Woni ba won so na funfram. Meja.
Akra.
Na amanfo teren.
Amanfo ye boko bibia da form. You go preparation so you about trials.
Mo bo trials answer.
Oh, say about trials na patch up places be. Yen two professionals na you expect one say we will land this week apart from that you know a few injuries were hodi. Now so him bro de 10 against 11 pam yeah no she has pam baby I want the baby 7 I want team baby I want the injuries were team no more but one the insro on cry
match be now players you go boy will play because last year December to
oh training near what training na
and it's a more
oh yeah organized yeah and yes say for kobo bi keke no amanfo is amanfo yen bibia organized bibia nso ya wa amanfo unu say papa Okoman baby I had to wear to yes
I am room
bibia to yen aduan yen bibia
no break as last year players in as one more no e form and can be na point to me and we need tournament afi
fita no crash say yeah na last year na yeah say obia so we dey mo fa manfo e dey nim say mbo mo ngadi de da e we ne ade enti na ma ade na nkasa kra na ufa kra na ahokeka na ni ho papa enti it got into the players na ema ebasa ufa ba bia so amanfo e di mo e di ho e di mbo wi aye mbo ese enti na ade na nkasa odi kra nye ba unhu say bibia ye free and fair now we dey afede agro form
last year na ye free and fair
no not initially no not there was speculation say he did whatever manfo because everything Okoman wa manfo organizers wa manfo bibia ya manfo there na he dey move sisi but one who say you born failing no afei ne ba be kire on say oh and is ye di kra na nkire bibi born
okay
enti yo ho ba yan yire mu de dawe de yan wonde ya de injuries na be born sa
ya be ba game no so but Kwame Oh, one of sport I never match that. Mon am wine room. I am room to them BBI fine.
Oh, BBI boko. Yen yamada da kwemwa BBI da boko. Players no. I feel you when I players no. Ebi huka wa kwentum. Nti na fe yakra wa aba. Ebi no afi muko. Ebi no Malaysia.
Mon am kofa Chelsea football ball.
Ya fa Chelsea. Yeah, kofa.
And na Chelsea team no.
Oh, there be no yen player oba na kasa no san wo injury. Wan bobo papa bia. Say I go do Malaysia kra make say. Na ne bobo nsoro kosoro oba.
Sure.
Yeah, in Rome, sa manfufu si wo be share. Yen kasa bebre. Ntini ye prayer, ye ko boy empire. Yes, your my jesia. Ye sha wo be hu say ye ni abre.
Okay.
Ya she kokko ene tuntum.
Kokko ni tuntum de. Ah na won asemo.
Wo hu say ye ni abre.
Okay. Say na mo re ye mu ayi preku.
Debi, ye be ye won ayi ama won. Ya ba won ayi ase. Won ayi ase na ye ba be ya ama won.
Okay.
Nti ye ni won suro.
Na no say who your coach and as who your team manager.
Oh, me say sia no. Me na me manager.
Team manager.
Yeah.
Nti team manager she be na odi agu akwa mama in room players no.
Yeah, tournament a wo bo na anka players na kasa dodo na nya yanka wo yen camp. Da bibinti
because 23 pen abet my register.
Bibinti because na wo buy yen camp when ni J. Na injuries kakra na how yen ba fi wan ko treatment, wan ko ye wo ho aduru. Ya pusu won angasa. Ya pusu won afi no wo begina akokora ma no so ya. Bon say mere manini. Eyinum na ebobo no.
Mo dey mo ko gym.
Oh, there is a ball gym wo ba nya gym say wo kwa manda de so kitikiti.
Wo ba ye Ghana Forces.
Debi.
Ka butu akofo abebo.
Debi enya no bi. Wo ba kwa gym ba nya gym akwa ma nda de so kirikiri. Ya wo stomach na wo heat bi keke na wa kwa benefit ne aden. Anu ya ne.
Na fi koko da so mo.
Oh, yo.
Ono your assistant na.
Yeah, or your assistant.
Assistant team manager na coach.
Ono your manager.
Assistant.
Many assistant coach na idnam.
Okay. Ntino koko na coach ankasa.
There be coach ankasa.
Coach, mako fa coach.
Oh, there be coach ankasa o. Fatu. Kwame Bempo. Ono wa bobo we si akamba.
Ball no dey wa bobi da so ko mu nyina bobo na so won coach team ya da.
Oh, there be. Say no enye obi na bobo abetima coach.
Okay. Mo na last time mu kura him room.
Ya na na.
Ana fi masen akofa fi.
Ya na ya de baba.
Okay. Potter. Oh, now your assistant coach.
You
say your tactics and then preparation, technical team, more preparation to then.
But that's it. Okoman 97.1. Yes, she be.
Yes, yeah.
Teachers say already. We share over baby. I was saying.
Oh, maybe so tactical.
Oh, there be.
Say, and then the team see me. So na teacher can. What one coach see me go outside. Kusi ya deni ya.
Very good.
And him tomorrow I want to then.
I have to come to our opponent.
Young opponent.
Okay.
Never give me so.
If you know about tournament, young players in they already camped. Ya camp on the now. Inti as to tactics ni idea everybody. Ya embassy. And then your pre-match conference to the match. Inti match ni be do so ya. Ya beba pre-match conference. Na mbe yen tactics. Players available for that fixture. Any other. It will be based on that. Na ya be tactics ni idea ya bebo. Yeah, no money problems. Taxes in there will be brave.
Okay. Now, who your assistant to Fatui? Who you okay?
Oh,
and give you unya head coach.
Oh, there we another management. You know, management.
Okay.
So what is your official for the team? Into you know, we come up with one idea. So what I say?
Maybe now Kabibia.
Oh, there is unity among us.
Okay.
And then still you go to cry in team now. You go ball. Tournament no yen sese obi aye
striker ne obina ada so o
yen players obi awo
ba ku bi de no
obi awo players are what
the na wanya
players are what one request aba say we say obo yenti we fi other teams in ye bo ni wa one management ni won kwa konya asem tie mo bi heading
teams ni players yes wa bo
Besine mejina asese akwa ebi gusu frɛ
players burning
mi se mi mbo bi heading
oh teams yi mu bi
teams here ye no top 4 teams here ye no ba abangase akokwa so ene amanfo
amanfo no defenders and strikers
position bia ye kra player bi wo person obebo ye ho say one tournament they saw young preparation is na treatment to players ni aden won fe
okay.
So what you say? Very good.
What you say? My member Akokwaso. So for my first match, money abangase and I rebel. mono one and I group because abangase akokwaso osan brom ne I think abuasa and I group mushia group Moshe I will group and I was sharing 2-0 I will group edu grand finale Moshe penalties say 2 na penalties 3 na call penalties and I ja mujefi won sem boko go share on this time around opening match or top 4 mo fa ne dem mo fa game ne dem
me kan say enye hu yenti am say enye hu ne say ye no nga bodeda na ne yesan eye hu mayen ne ya metime gina ha kan ne ye ono no da form nti o sori aba no obeba na ni bere so nti so ne oda form na ba na ni bere so ya me am gina me nso me den mebo me ho ban ono no me di obu man pa because me kaya wo hye ye mbo se kan tournament ne ye wie na na ye gina ha ye di hu abobo yi o me ti asese nkaifo ne ye no wonko bo bor ndi won de obu ya chi obu ya ma ye ngabo sabe ne ye fa ye na nkura nka bor ye o me ti asene ye se na bor aye mbo ye no ye mo ye de hu se ne asini ye se yo ya ate ye ko bo enso yampane wo kan no ebe mu ye no group matches no ye no group match no wo sheda ma ye ti ase wo be shen wo kan wo ye wo sei no wo ye nti ye ko en achi wo shen na ye se da bi cruise ya shen na wo be wo san so man won is wo be shen 4 wo ngadi kan shen 2 dia final match wo be shen 4 ye bo hu no kware ni ye bo hu wo so bia wa hye wo dade yo so be ya ketiwa bi nti eje ye ko training na yen ye minye ni so we team say no mbo sa tournament betimi agino akisi wo ye training sing yen akokoya so na your advantage bebre esen teams ne no mbo ni na because yen ni kura local boys wo ye pure local boys about 24/7 no de betimi nya be say 10 so yes ye bo training match bia ye biribi wo krum ya betimi nya be 10 na we
so mumu an confer players and fear outside
am ba e bi ba ne mum we me kaya nipa be say ba nan ba num bi pe ene ye do me kan team no ho me kaya kwa metwuma no ekropon ni ekropon ni deda ne namfo ba san bi fi
mitio
su humbai wo ba bua yen papa wo bua yen papa ye ko fa ba ku fi soro ho bai wonyina ye nuan mo ye no ndi agori ye wo ekwa pemreji so de obi ayo obi ania nti yakeka ye ne mabom ye tie nya me bua yen ma ye wini afi mi nkese dandel se ne atibia ne ya hye wonti ye be hye won dabi eye go ne kwa kudi ne ye be sibia no ye be fa ne mom ne a me kan se me wogidi se me hye bio
we sha ban
me hye ne bio you
no biri bi so bia send me message bi so ati mutim na player ba kwa so malam wo bobo na malam ni ama na still mu yes how we say means no
akura ya metimi aka kitiwa bi ne se
o kire ma no wa gba 60 minutes na ma yi na film match bia
also wa gba 60
you message no or dey buy no
esa ne se woda otupun woda ukotu upun mu se onya onto na woda Okoman radio wo woda utupun ni nyina kire se biribi wo ho yankpo ye hu ne da so da bia ye bompai
okay
se ni aye be bia no menye den enko ye mayen se wo hu bor wana kande bibiri bor wana kande
okay
what you say ye bompai sire nyame se on fa ma nipa ne tie achi ni wo hu ne se bo ne momwie but yang de bi obobo ni wie obobo ni wie tambia
agoto ase okegu abansa ase ma slow bi ase mo ke ama ho popo
debi enya ne nko
ono no gina ho no
akura enya ne nko
ti ubuye me mic a
mabuye tube mic no
enya ne nko
tube mic no na
ya du mu ga
ba pressure bi ato
ya pressure ni yanso obasha tournament na ye boy no
obi ya hu se go da go awie so
tournament na ye boy
mami ti agoto
ya nwi ni player bi a oyi ni film obobo ni ade obasha tournament ya ye boy a abanasi wo hwe yen bo aye bo a wo hwe tactically wo hwe yen bo aye bo hu se yen team na ye team
ba o se o Jacob
o se mi Jacob meti ase me ne ko final no se mi Jacob me ne na we group ye me ne na ye wo group me chire ni she no 2-0
but say no chire
at the end no ye group na nkasa kwa me na me top
yo
ana me ko shia no final
yo
ana ye ball 3-3 ni ye ko ball penalties no wini 5-4 fine ene Okoman ada we top 4 senia ye fi ase ye ne boy no sa na ye ba beto aso ne ne na bone This that no so. Board the idea be a win, lose or draw.
Did the end over?
Member Shano.
Basana.
Akoko aso me bona bisa.
Abisa.
Mashana 3-0. Mashana 3-0.
Akora. Who's on connect mra? Who's on connect no mra?
3-0.
Baby amejina ho na amejina. Mashana 3.
Oh, okay. You.
Me katira no. Yabo group stages. Me katira say mashana 2. Mashana 2.
Oshame. You
final match me katira say mashana 4.
And I mean say mashana machine.
And one shame you bought 3-3 na go open.
Wow. Abra, woni me ya yawo. Onu she me group stages no. But me chiri me bribi fi ni nsem me ya ne ya.
Cap na ya na defend cap.
Je bribi fi ni nsem.
Cap na made in cap ye nyina ye fight for. Nti yakobɔ 3-3 yakobɔ penalties no. Ana obo winning.
But me no nso na ade na esi won me no na epere ho. What is me na epere ho.
Me ne wo ho.
Me je fi ni nsem.
Ogina ha sesi wo ba hwa mfia so na o ka se aban ase de yesi a
muyo.
Yeyo. Nti sesi amasenye se ni se me hye na biesa. On say she mo park so me hye na biesa. Me yi na fi.
Obi anka wa je ka fa tu nsem ni san go nsuro.
Me nsuro me gina ho. Me gina ho.
Right. I have Ugusuti Okoman 97.1 radio. Okoman Global Sports now, and then a special edition on him so today. Big tournament between Akoso, Kwap Mema, football tournament now. Various reps at my teams, you know. Ewa Abanse rep wa Akokwaso rep wa I'm Rome and I feel some manfo rep wa and ye dim common here. But what to our journey in life? Oh, Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Our Facebook, Samsung, YouTube, Okoman Radio 97.1. Instagram, and so Okoman 971. Also, wait me, I join here and now I should in life. And so, very man from then there was it. Nanado, you do all. Tell them the day will come. Into no, just no support it. About say, but and I'm on phone in Rome. And so, no second match, Yauda. When I'm second match, and when I'm opening game, no, and I'm on four. More, I say, I am Rome with Rema, third and fourth, and one was said that Jemma, and I'm asking your mobile, and with Jemma and Moody third. Oh, no, I said, I was so can you cry? I was one and Casa. Yeah, and what can you probably for my what can say? Yen way she first one, second one. In any case, my memory about saying Akukasu. To be away. One crown and one group careful. But we are saying Ankasa near your pen. I one group who crown and never from do also my camera also count it. You know, say I don't know. Unquan Cosa, a chanting now to room. Okay. I'm on funny about Wavene, Abukwasune, Abanside. Not two groups in the crowd, money are the crowd. We weren't expecting. Born in Amanfu group him broom. Obias him broom. Until if you try on back, front and back, unganim what, ungachi what. It's not a
Waba, one of those two tournaments. Tournament was hosted from Infa Amanfu. Cecilia Ojina Sedeng, Okoman Radio with Infa.
It's on if you see
it's very good.
It's a fact.
Remember, first tournament, Infune hosty.
First tournament.
Host two ball no Agropon
host.
What can host in FIFA?
David, oh yes, I
if you are man for Debbie, Tia, some kind of. I'm referring him to the friend.
Yeah, man, one man phone and I make a
upon warm or backups.
Backups. As I am room, more be near my room.
You're then,
only near my room. I am for
Sika watch backups. Sika when you Sika just you know just more the envelope.
Catch any say, you're the first match. You're born 2-0. No way from
agro uniform.
You're born 2-0.
That's okay. What's the what boy in 5 last edition? What's
the top 4? They say you open match.
So if you young players so yeah, this
players so be register 23
players. Who can say players and so players? Who team and your discipline team in the first place?
Discipline.
Who team how can you go to a show that team? 11 players now feel they who register 23 players into team position there as not just who team when you organize who team How can you play with an organized team?
Member.
Who you organize?
Member.
Where do microphone? Manager na.
Pep.
You.
City manager. And yes, same selection. No the ball. Liverpool or the ball Chelsea and stuff like that.
11 players on the field.
But at the end of the day, no. You only pay one strength work from one out one couple of Southampton.
Pep in field 9 players.
There's one who didn't want to 7 players go boy.
Just I do have players in craft for say
rules be anywhere football.
So it got
that mean FIFA rules in ma. But must start
with 7
players.
7 players. Very good. Very good.
It is 7 been an near the ball. And why you call for Iceman? Iceman with your organizer.
Ojina Amanfu you better say on 2 now.
As organizer Jina Mafu dey Ojina Okoman studio.
Debi.
Ojina Mafu.
I don't go neutral grounds on Ojina na eti. Mejina studio. Mejina Amanfufu ya chimpa uchawo. Mejina studio. Mejina studio.
Sa organizer actually Ojina studio.
Time kura watch Jersey no. Na what the Jersey riche Amanfu coaching sem na wore kanchie gusu say kwana kodi nkunim oboya what time ebu amoya kwashira
ya afa dem koko oja ya de oja na ya no mojem na ya ba
pa mesa ba na Amanfu who said it
Amanfu yempere yen ho bro bibia da form
okay
but in pempi no aya backbiting undermining na yen take it easy but this time round yempere yen mabisa see allegation won't sound fair. Yeah. Nampesa say, young fans, young supporters, any young crowd, what I spiritually, physically, socially, American say, Amanfu, one expect lifting of the cap and nothing else.
First match, Mobashe.
Oh, yeah, you know, you had the injury in the
So we were
I'm back.
Okay, what is sign first match against him? What is sign?
Just say you're in prayer
2-0. Pa also be 2-0.
Say me medi kan carry out. Say me mention 2-0.
Ono just for me na be come me.
The play be the flow. Ana me boya. Na me the pass sponsors any organizers and what touch on refereeing near them me the pa inti so what say one kasa na wogusu no one kasa yen so yeda won asepa because ni etwa mu ni ama bebre ko tia yen yen ayin brom officiating yen ayin brom officiating yen amanfo match na ye boy with whatever reason mean to me be gina kasa say na say but generally ni ama bebre ko tia yen inti say organizers say one officiating near the na kasa yedase if everything goes as say work and there amanfo the wonye team kura ye won afim first match
team enye team show mpan bi
see asema make me say then officiating in the past inti if everything goes as planned there one day on the field of play say yambo ball no I didn't want to me. You better want to know.
I know. Pauli. I know. Assistant coach. I'm room, but still. Wait to me. I go Facebook. Now I go share you made in life. Oh, Okoman 90. Forget always. Okoman Radio 97.1. Oh, Facebook. Okoman Radio 97.1. Oh, Facebook. YouTube. So no. Okoman Radio 97.1. Instagram. And so Okoman 971 oko nyina ubetumi anya jumadi no bi na also watumi ahwe ne life pa wili wa ha sanso na ni akoto ono wa ban ase ana afi so no miame bra ameni enso no awakoko aso ana afi so no amafo team manager na you know wa ba loan wo mo ana teacher to you
ubodi na dem do me say
facha me teacher to facha me na me bisa wa ba loan wo mo ana
okay yen ma ne fe ne kondo se obeba manfo
officer
na again no so no menka no say medical ni pa bi yaw enne nse mi hye kokoko me wira ho kakra ne ntia me wira ho no say obi a me hye na mani je ye Kwame na na me yaw but ye be fa ne Sara Erade no ye me kan ni papi tiase Kwame na kan ye ho wa ha ne nti na me argument lemfo na nkasa ntumi ko papa but
and it's that soon now talk most room akosem anjan wa akosem
Shanede one team in cut off for Hunkara.
Intina visa so yina ba lo mo ha.
Yo send nipa wu ni ade ne nyama kobasa wu team nti wo ga
officer mami visa officer
na also friend Amponsah so osia coach no e dem ba ye be fa ne Sara wa be join am
officer mami visa na abubo team na wo na afi top for o enyi wo amanfo na
me fa akonya yusu na
I ba chop the microphone no
me fa akonya yusu na me fa ma me ho hyeden shabash nga bi se Kwame na wo no ma aka ba unzi be wo na me wo but no ni ho na Kwame ba said the last 2 tournaments here boy no na me ne Kwame na nyina wa amanfo na issues bi na ba mo na de na fe yeto ye ho
issues
and I think it's football the we
oh there be am modern ball as coaches no and there be am modern man
sesia wo so onipa na wan kofa na bati uni wo management ne kura ye discipline wo so onipa na wo ni ba
jalo kasa officer issues there be am modern ball say coaches na ko no pa mo
football there were issues wo
be a coach modern ball ko
you to be a problem about dressing room management to be a problem. It's under issue.
Na mo nyina mo na so dressing room.
Oh, now aduma say I think say that time your boy press before when you did I think third was the fourth.
No the fourth.
Fourth very good because now 8 teams was ahead what to make the fourth at least. But say Kwame na niwo ana hwemu so amachi ya amanfo. Na mo kasa bebre mu akokora so na ahimbro mu na hwemu kom. Am say na ahimbro mu na amanfo na wo group. Na mu amanfo ball boy mu akokora ayi ahimbro boy. Na me say me hunu say na amanfo some missing links bi but dictator hunu ma bi mu ne ade
so we scout ana
oh yeah say de me person be solve one problem awon na me solve one me ba amanfo say anya say ba amanfo say ye ba na abeka ho
o be solve amanfo problem den
ye ba be fa cap opa mark ne
na be awo ruje cap ana
oye ye be say ye wu ni position wo team official ye be say ye wu ni position
it is say wo ye say ba amanfo no ye den
me pese bi
management
okay
na management no so no
officer meeting Pauli wa shara mu yan
catch
wa shara officer what me na kasa Pauli wa shara
malama na den
munye ti malam ba ta munye malam sro
so boss ni o te bi na sira na
wo se o boss ni o boss ye team malam itu be ye malam wa manfo ya
amanfo ye discipline
obepre eno catch malam se mu
oh that be said
wo se wo ye team wo se wo ye discipline wo se wo ba wo team nson wo players nson where is the discipline
no discipline
but kasa gu
unim
ni tintini tiane se me ya ba adwen sanka Kwame na ni wode anka mete me ho be 1 year bi ansa
akwan utena fie
na at least
akwan coaching courses bi
and dey me private okay but say no mo say no amanfo ball no e wo mi mojam and say me dey achi na me de me tutu nso na ade no I think say amanfo sankofa no wonti ma ba amanfo
ye ngoba yes yempe no
membu an kofi
wo so ba
me ko Amponsah
next way meeting aye baba me de ne letter baba
ne letter
official letter me de baba yes yempe there be
okay
ade bien na soka ade bien na soka discipline and organize any idea soka anything no aba amanfo me hu na nti one nam kwanje
amaka so sro de osro sa waka de nti obai
discipline committee Kwame more shambo say me ma bay say the top 4 ye born I think say born akofa 2 days we kekere say Sunday no bobo final na say that bobo final
Friday Thursday and Friday
okay ebedu Friday no be 6 o'clock
kaza guma
Friday no be 6 o'clock no be cab ni si amanfo cab ni si amanfo makan
team me say o tu ne first match o ya dan akobo ka
ana munim manka min chao Team Sejan Amuna, the Kwame, Team Sejan. Team Sejan, I won't. Mamma Frank with you. Teams for her. Kwame, Teams for Jan. The Team Maros Paton Yakuasope.
Missy, your boy last tournament. Yes, long. One top supporter back. Oh, say what? Mutimun, Wobo Dodo.
Lankasa mo jam do bobo.
Meba. Adan asem Missy if officiating will go
the way I'm paying for Canada.
SA Canada football day. Oh.
Kwame, Mamisa of Corny. Besides, what can you officiating on Ojan or Cana? Tim Ben and a Kotia on our last time. I
think it's almost all the teams.
Videos was a year. Videos one videos in town.
I think almost all the teams will be complaining.
Videos I want videos in town.
Abasi complaining. It's almost all
everyone
and part of the football.
Videos I want
part of the football. Yan amanfo. Memenka generally. Mekama yon.
Asim money amanfo game.
Yan amanfo game in particular no. Niame si wo mun. If things will change, you officiating there. Because just as they say there, football day on the pitch day. Say young one day want to me young.
I am from Grana. Just a young one.
I am from one come.
Kwame.
Chairman, David Chairman, you organize na mepe. Waka amafone. I am from board and person make.
Mami too.
Referee anon ko be di board. Ogwange went to me and the board.
Oh, to me.
There is a referees commission and but no see. Hey, you know, Sabori, one confess with you for my boy here to me.
Yeah, fair is a what? Yeah, fair is a one.
But I think so. So, boy, you money.
Referees on the board, also to me in the match. No, we are you. Referees on the match.
Yeah.
Why? What president match? Pre-match conference. A referee who now baby no on the field of play. Edu so say your babe keke boa referee who say want to me the match. No referee just say what babe the match. Won here prepared here. Say babe this match.
Debbie department assembly. Yande agroni form.
Okay.
I hope say nga promise and say we will have fair officiating.
But organizer why maybe be organizer in terms of security. Sanya and also arrangement. On the football down there you share. Okoman United kwa bibliomi. Okoman United kwa bibliomi. Na police phone Robert Ekoje oneself in terms of security arrangement and everything.
I say new commander na waba no. Yene no Eric Kasa. Na wa hwena wa mayen police fo a wo be hwedwuma de ne so. Ene achi ne so no say last year de na ebon say nya soja fo kakra so ya wo be support yen a. We support police for no. Ya nti no nyame ya aduma ye besanga nya bia no kra de we be kwa anim kakra sen won a wo bai no. Aha nti security de me say emu be ya den asen ba ko no ball we no say top 4. Top 4 no so de 100 meters. Obi ani abre. Nti no me hu say emu be ya show. Because obi a be person de kruwa no ebe kofie intini ebe make sure say security nso no emu ebe ye do
na health wise and you know money tetekwashi ambulance service mono wire arrangement that or by case of emergency
aye no kware ye gusu aye sa arrangement e kura me fie americo ekuapem community health akoko hu doctor oku na ya yes arrangement no nso no aye no kware yeah
okay and you know organizer Adema ene afi ojura or say the tournament no and also achieve in terms of security and health okay
na me pese me fa yen akwanya so they appeal to teams na ni obibi obeba behwe ball bi ya ni PTC principal enya yako meeting concerning one page no and one consent our previous tournament no intina anka ye de merefa akwanya so na yesro bibi obeba behwe ball ni bi se wo ba baby a wo de amayen se wo bobo no wo ma yenyina ho mema yen exceed enko nenam school mu ho wo se wo nkuwa ebi mu rural classrooms yesrem ye be make provisions for nkuwa and canopies into yesrem ni ayede be ma mu use ye no sense mo beko one campus wo no enya sa next one bia ye be kwa akosrem bia no orin to me fa mayen yesrem any time I wode amayen say yemfi school mu won so o say by 7 o'clock no bia akọ na nwanya iti yesrem mu amobeba behwe boni bi na ya na mo di sa anhyehyɛ so kakra ya amayen
Okay. Mami, Doc, Junior Doc, Junior Doc. Opening match, time, any arrangements in it then for opening game,
So far, management, you go so bro near my home. Opening match, no. Yasha Sanki be fiase 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. Thursday, which is the 14th of October. Bansana ebe she jumed egurudina ankasa asino yebe opening ceremony kakra ama ose ade ankasa be tutu tata ba be keke first ball no ama yin onunu wia na fe match na ankasa ahihye so.
Okay.
So far the preparation nyina no ongoing. Inti sanedi kan no pitch no you go so reading hujuma. In terms of security and so yene MC any commander nso di nkomo a obehwe atoto amaniema akoye ba megedi say efa security na fakes na abegina yen so if say mpemfu na bu be say bibi ankoka papa enje kirede nti aya na say enije ne broso a yen hwe na yama ntokwa ama.
Okay. No bibisa me say me price money I know anso teden. Me say Kwame gina enya o hwe me say no ana Kwame so pe. Price money ateden.
Yo, inti nya obe winning first winner, which is the winner nankasa no. Obenya a cash prize of 3,000 Ghana cedis. It is kind 30 million.
Okay.
Inti eno no ka ho a niema ka ho yegusua ene sponsors already nkomo inti mrepemu ne yede betugwa yede befa Okoman radio so dia tugwa items a eka cash prize no ho nya obeto so ebien no team obeto so ebien no no so benya a cash prize of 2,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Kan titisikan 20 million nanya oto so ebiesa no enya 1,000 Ghana cedis, which is kind of 10 million. Now, management in Swaggy, Akwechi say, and yet, fair say, wo Bababisia Kang now be corner Unyashe cry. Inti a fourth position, no, what you say, Wabema fourth position also 500 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Now, what the Aquacoto Castle. Inti share honing.
Now, medals on also one arrangements, be I fine.
Say medals no fair ceremony ye de chere.
Okay.
Winner no benya gold medal.
Okay.
Player bia benya ne medal.
23
registered players will be benya ne medal. Not 5 officials also yama medal. Inti for the first winner no you are getting 28 medals in all.
Okay.
For that is the players and then the 5 team officials. Second position, Ubenya silver medal, and also the same number, 23 for the players and then 5 for the officials.
Okay.
And then the third position, also Ubenya bronze medal. Pamacho medals ni nyinano ya engrave or siadeyo soccer tournament, Udra 2021.
Can be bisa was team big J Cup or Ghana and he killed and our Hamasa and Somano. Debi na modern so akọ kiuda na modern dey kiuda
pacho we dey ankasa de ye de oja ankasa na aka ene ye de yen logo no ojura logo no eda so.
Okay.
Ena edin no so ya tworo ewase ena year no so eden account ofa na dama bia ebe kai o say ojura kensi o se ade soccer tournament na we see no eno ho medal eno wenya
for no the game ope rose flower bi ma rose flower bi ma na once we to me the coffee senior doc ma yarukwe ma me ene no obia baby say organization is sponsorship no and as bring adon yakro farms na ni nyina afi no mo other companies bia mo no decide medi
afena yeguso.
Okay.
Because Aplos Acro Farms in Numa, Okoman Numa, Okoman Radio, the same thing. Ain't you know, a fena yer say Binyan Crofoka cra,
obeso yɛn asen ana na mpo si enyo bi enso yɛn asen a yaka si ebe candle spirit no ho yebetumi aye
sure. Na mame ma 20 seconds ye koyi na bibi abeka kire watiefo kuma atiefo ene Kwame
yo edika no me ma obi biara afihyiapa me se odwurareba eyejo de ya afiaso ye manana no mu nyina afihyiapa odwura yi wa bebe bibia no hwe ho so ye na waba no wakọ wotena abew asomdwem kronsem de open ho asem obu obewia wo be kire no obu onso obewia won kire no obia ne ti yes obia ne ti nti no worry bay obia hwe no ho so ye nyame adoma odwura ya woda na ebefi akensi na se ne ya wie fida 2 days nti no sene akan no ye born last year no na ye ba park so in numbers no ye ka kire tiefo se odwura ya woda ane fida no so no won samra bio because ye mu be den pa obanso ya ye mpento kwawo because security no mu be den nti no ba ye mpento kwawo nti wo mpemfo so ohufo no ma ne na tirinkwa amfa me nsa nkoka me nya asem bia me gina me baabi nti no bia ba onhwe no ho so ye mu bibiara afihyiapa medamase
yanso ya dase mame nge 30 seconds 20 seconds bi FNF reps no mo final words akokwaso amani mame ntio
ye do bibiara ase akokwaso impo ye nuan ma wo fi mu obeta yen achi fefefe mfa ho se wa fi akwanya no wa anya se oba bedu ha na nkwa bebobi na mum mesre se obi amra park no so na ometai wan ni nuanom na kai ye teams 4 na eba bebo tournament achi na yenye na enyefe na biribi o ho am de sie mu esese meka no bi ate ye be fi tournament na se last year na nsa oku apehene ene ket
GFA president
sa abren ye bo first match na penalty team ni bidi
timbe
akokwa so
okay
okay
all right nti
afi so board de bibia timisi na mum yesi ye ni nso bi na mum kuruwa na na ba beje
mami tio
ye ni nso bi na mum kuruwa ni nti ne ba yi ne ebesi bia no ye nim se nyame hihye ye befa na mum me wagi di se ne ayeye kan ne yampon de se nhira no besen agu ye nso ne yasan aye na afi bio
okay Mr. Agoto final hours
okay abangase yende tournament ye bubu ye nim hwe na ye nim an se cap no ye kwa akofa cap na na ye kwa akofa ne ye nden so no se ye kwa ye ballot no ye nya team a ye ne ball last tournament no ye de ne ko final ye nsantima nka na ye hwehwe ti se ne se ye nya no ne ne kwa akofi tournament na se we de gala ye nni agrokura ye team no wo ho nyama 1 or 2 bi na ebe change na ye de aba tournament no nti no se de yen ya ready say ye bo tournament no
okay
ti yen fans na ye hwe wonim say obia mfa ani je ani se ye no fa meta team na chi wo ban so a bibia de ntokwa no ade de besi wo park no so bia munya no nti ase
okay
bibia be ku
okay nti no Agoto ewo aban ase ana mo tin kan Kwame o final words na yanko
yang ayim Roma afi yaba ana yaba no papa mu so bibia ye boko amanfofo no se na ye di kankan na ye be hye no 2-0 na na ya kanso ye be hye no so
okay
ye be manage ni ntem no wakotena te wafa plan or wakọ pre ne third and fourth no nti onjone so obeje cap no be wo bia
okay
we dey come and supporters say na time bia mo beta ye chin yesrem ayodwura ni say awo na mo yen supporters na awo akwantum na we support him from afa no afi de wo beba park ne so abe support nti erade nka mo no fa mo nyina mbedu asomdwe
okay
amen yenga guru ni
amen answer na mekwa ma Kwame yi answer na mekwa ma for mame nka messages kakra wo Facebook very my film okay no message maka Ken Kezo or say football is played on the field. When the day comes we will see the best team, Berryman Fum Sunday. I was saying, and I tell them they are talking too much. Football is played on the field, not in the studios of Okoman Radio. King Kazo Sunday, I was saying, ways and means there, it makes the games enjoyable. And also, it's in there, but Black is king. I go cross all the way. We'll win the cup again. I trust in Israel. I just say, how many? I'm for our issue. Who could say, Ungo, dear. But I say, player be a minimum. Nelson Okreku, also, police officer. I like Okoman FM. You are good radio. And also, I didn't idea, but King Kazo Sunday, I was a good job to the organizers. Promotion of unity will also be achieved through such events. And you know, no so the we say na na man also am for all the way to also fans na no dem am for nti monhwe na banko gumu wenu ase NSK Safro also Israel and boys more of him ezo and also etimi in the kwasikata also in Rome more fire and comma and Rome so na you know Kwame no worries also say abanga say so be a region samba. And so ha you know when the comments kakra and also etimi aba ohwe ni perisha won do so papa but brilliancy ma yem fancy amafo me mamu 10 seconds enko
me da se akura o say amamfo ya kasa biara agrone form me support the last battery color agrone form yen supporters yen crofua what support you in diverse ways. Yes, Remo say, Munkoso Yeni Amoyada, na Munyajidu Wayimu. Na fi, yadi say, Bayoyo, Yadi Calf and Bebe Fee. Munkoso, support and send Amoyada. Na Niasa Muyabia, Makosia, na Munya Yimu, Dosen and Munyanda.
Okay.
I hear Pankasa, Baungayama, I hear say a Yakasa.
Okay.
And I say, won't you be a man for us or tank getting Yadi Capon Beba, Yadi Yami Muabesa. Say a man for
dog, but 5 seconds.
Yeah, with it, Miss Rowe. Say Crawford Kesi, Ibia organizers no in sachet teams biase near their day. Ebinumore Kesi. Host and win Mpamucho game no tournament na yerebon enye amanfofo na hosti ena enya him broom na enya akokwa so na enye abangase nti mesram moma ehu se applause ena hosti nti no mesram nyamesande atugane se brown no management eguso reading hujuma mrepemu no yebefa mwefri so ede atre among damase bebre
and so and that's you know doc Kwame Japan nyame and I'm watching kan on a part of the organizing committee and I'm also watching kan and yebesi na ochna yesu yetumi ato Sofia na yakoi akrofam semenka se ene no kokko ho nti open kokko ede atwa wanu and team si preparation mu banu anuan ama mu players si mu ma musanka akrofams nkokko ebi na mo so muntumi fanye aduan no so ho or spent layers ene no nebo no fofofo 18 Ghana cedis o ma saka bia onso obetumi ade abo aduan ofie na fie nso no etumi aye the sanso 12-week cockroach and so ha obetumi akoto na so abeyen na wanya sika ede agu kotokum uto no sisei na yanga eberubro nyam na ja wanyinyi na so etuma ton na mfa so de enso etumi aba kotokum ne won pa ne ntiyare bia ni wa etumi akere sankokoi kopue mu Acro Farms pasare na mansanka nkokoi bi obetuma fra Acro Farms mpenfo 0245 187 871 0245 187 871 and that's 0553 339 355 0553 339 355 na kupimo Acro Farms na mansanka aye nkuku ebisa so na Okoman Radio mpanyifo semifanto anim se ne wo ye asore wo ya ankra suku na afi super se obodaru na amanfo tewnka oton ade se yetugba eye banku bibibia oton hotel any hostels restaurants ahoro babia hye obesa amanfo tewnka Okoman Radio mpanyifo semifanto anim bepuem ha packages ye ahoro bebiri odwira yudi ba be bus stand obaye dwumadi bi ma amanfo nte se wabo odwira ni nyina ye Okoman Radio obepuem ha ebebo ho daru enso etumi ede ma bra na afi na mpanyifo enso ene wontena se na hyehyɛ bia wo no wonso wontumi enyama obetuma frɛ Okoman Radio mpanyifo 0246 435 565 0246 435 565. Now to be primo Okoman radio. Now fin so she be ono on painful and so no intimi ye. Every Manda as be say ultimate Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1 radio. More of the messages by Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. One ya breche and hobia na coupon and so no shout. Executive producer Ura Kofi Anson Bafo na coupon shout no your kase sounds na na encouragement head of sports and so no on so a boy yechidom Nana Kwame Perry the finest and they from so chévere. Aye. Then you can be the finest and so no make sure say you made no and so a bit me aba so DJ Tony, DJ Ziggy and so boy production no ama bibi and so no kama and so ewa ha. Me din and Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi eko na fin so drive team no to me atu am so enya me perchina yebeshia muchum.